Well, sticking with retail, the holiday shopping rush may be over, but the sector could still be getting a boost as the new year gets underway. Obviously, we just had a long discussion about the consumer. So here to discuss a little bit more, TD Cowen senior retail analyst and managing director, Oliver Chen. Oliver, it's so great to have you here to kick off the new year. So I'd love to just get us started with sort of where you see the general consumer going in 2026. As many of our other guests have said, yes, because the new calendar turned a page doesn't mean everything changed overnight, say for the consumer or otherwise. But I cannot believe how resilient the consumer has been through everything that we had to manage in 2025. What do you think the consumer is up against this year?
Courtney, I continue to be excited about the consumer and where the consumer is heading. Holiday period was very good. We raised our estimates to up 4 to 5%. Consumers being highly selective. Also, there's bifurcation, where the top 10% account for 50% of spending. That being said, we've always thought the consumer has and will continue to be resilient. Only certain retailers are winning in this environment, however. Walmart's our top idea for the year, in part because it's executing to the high-end and high-end customers, as well as being a retailer very famous for value, and middle and low incomes really seeking value. All customers are looking for value. So we're somewhat selective when it comes to stocks. We like Costco on the pullback as well. Overall, we're bullish for the consumer and the health of the consumer. And this is underscored by low unemployment as well as savings and dollars on the sidelines.
Very interesting. I'd love to drill down for just a second into the Walmart name. Obviously, you know it well. Many may not be familiar with John Furner, who is coming in to take over that CEO role on February 1st. But you and I sort of know a bit more about his background. People really loved what Doug McMillon has done with the company in his tenure. Are you sort of heartened that John Furner will continue that playbook and or continue to advance it? It doesn't sound like you're at all worried about a change at the top impacting the performance of the company.
What's great about this transition is that it's happening from a position of strength. Doug McMillon made some wonderful strides positioning Walmart very strongly against Amazon, and particularly driving bricks plus clicks, as well as online and AI and other initiatives. John Furner has a really wonderful background being at Walmart US, being a top executor there. He's also a people person, so I think you need to bring both magic and logic, as well as technology into this role, and John's well positioned to do that. Walmart US is a real machine in terms of dominating grocery, which is a very hard business. So John stepping into a position of strength. That being said, there'll be many retail challenges this next year, including supply chain volatility, the implementation of AI. But Walmart is well positioned in that it's really executed with technology as well as a core industry-leading grocery business. As we think about technology, Courtney, one topic you and I talk about is digital advertising and retail media. It's a $5 billion business that could be much, much bigger. It could quadruple at Walmart, and that's operating at 60% plus margins. Also, the marketplace. They have 500 million sellers there, and they could grow to many, many more. That will increase the performance at Walmart as well.
Not only do you study the marketplace, but I think you shop there too. I understand you're wearing something special today from Walmart.
Yeah, it's open assembly, and I think this is a key indicator of where Walmart's heading with great clothing, great value, customers trading up and down. So thinking hard about what they're doing with product and apparel and taking share from players like Target and apparel. That's a story too, as well as really appealing to value across all household incomes. So they've done a really nice job with apparel, and that's the big opportunity for retailers to address needs plus wants, needs in grocery plus discretionary goods as well.